Hello and welcome to Bobby Brews, where I play my MTG Arena homebrews. Today, we're looking back at a brilliant restoration deck. That's right, we're gonna bring everything from our graveyards into play, as long as they're enchantment and artifacts. That's all we're playing, essentially. Why are we looking back at this one? Because now it can actually win on the spot, given some things line up, but you can win. How? Well, Mom gave us City on Fire. So whatever comes in now deals triple damage. Okay, fine. But none of them had haste until Mom the Aftermath gave us Nahiri's Resolve. Now they all have haste to get a couple of these from the graveyard with haste, with City on Fire. Maybe you get a Fable as well. Fable gets a token that also has haste, that also deals triple damage, and +1/+0, so it actually deals 9. And then you win on the spot. It's a fun deck. It is straight up jank. You know that going into this. Depopulate, I had to play, because even though I'm okay with winning 1 out of 5 games, just to show you good videos, without Depopulate, it's more like 1 in 10 or 1 in 15. You need this. You could probably have a Brotherhoods, and that might do a similar effect, but you need the sweeper. Otherwise, I would have gone for, one of our 2-mana discard draws. I hope you enjoy this brew. If you do, make sure to subscribe. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Also, click like, share, notifications, and leave a comment, but please keep it positive. Without further ado, let's get a taste of this brilliant brew. Okay, we're on the draw. This is a horrible hand. This is objectively worse. And this, I guess, is better. Actually gonna get rid of one of the lands. Which will land? Okay. Maybe it was the smart choice. And we've drawn more reanimations, so that's great. Now I just need a Fable here. Yeah, they have their own Fable. Give me a Fable. No Fable. Yep, there it is. So there's our Fable. They can get turn 4 Atraxa, but in playtesting, I actually beat an Atraxa on the opposite end. Oh, no, they just got rid of a Fable. Do they have a Shieldred? Is that what they're playing? Or no, they have an Invoke Despair. Okay. Well, no Invoke Despair. Graveyard Trespasser? Yeah, okay. Still have to try and aggressively search for what I want out of this deck. You know what? I messed up, because now they get to eat both of them. That's fine. I wasn't going to win this one anyways when they have the Graveyard Trespasser. Bankbuster? Okay. I need to draw the Depopulate. There it is. The sad part is that I could have had one of these Fleshgorgers in the graveyard, but that's okay. We'll play this. Is it Invoke Despair time now? Another Graveyard Trespasser. Which is it? Nothing. That's interesting. They got rid of a Graveyard Trespasser, knowing that I'm at 10 and that I am a graveyard deck. I'm gonna get rid of this Depopulate because it's not what we need to draw anyways. Okay, that's good. We'll actually keep the land because we have enough to cast the Restoration. We just don't have anything relevant to restore. Are they going to draw with those treasures? Is it Chandra time? It is. Okay. Yep. Not what I needed to see. Not at all. See, we would have had one more Fleshgorger in our graveyard, but here at least we get to kill the Chandra. Are you going to kill it? Come on, net decker. Oh, they're digging. They don't have what they want. Their own Fable. I'm okay with it. Okay. Do I get rid of both? I think I don't. I get rid of one. Get rid of this. Play this. Copy this. Swing with all this. And I am going to let go of this reflection because I want to keep using it. Are we dead? We could be. That's okay. An Invoke Despair isn't enough. We would need a Graveyard Trespasser, eats one thing. I'm at 7. They crew. These two hit for 6. I go to 1, but I'm not dead yet. Again, if I had played the big score on my turn, I would have had one Fleshgorger in play. What are they going to do here? Breach. Okay, nice. Nice. It's not going to be enough, but that's nice. There is no way that they can kill us. Whereas we are bringing back at least one Cityscape Leveler. And we got another Goblin. And we're going to have a city on fire. We got him. Good game, opponent, net decker. But I see you have a breach. So that's nice. I wasn't expecting that. You didn't hit an Itali, so I don't know if you have them. Let's see, is it Nebraska? Who's it going to be? Okay. Okay. You already attacked. So don't crew. You already attacked. But you can draw. You can use this to draw. Come on. You can do it. I'm even going to get a Fable. I'm going to copy the Leveler. And I'm just going to destroy everything they have. Come on, opponent. Oh, okay. Nice. Nice. Good game. Toss both of those. Just want to draw as many artifacts and enchantments and toss them all in the graveyard to bring them all back. That's nice. Yeah, just all of it. Bring them all back. All of them. Let's copy one of these. Let me attack. Come on. Come on. Okay, so one destroys this, one destroys this, and one destroys this. Nice. Woo. And let's give them some love because they actually stuck around. How much is it? Oh, we only got them to 282 despite my mistake. That would have had me at way more life long ago and would have been a much easier game for me, but we got them. Okay, we're on the draw. We have a thrill. We have some depopulates, so I'm guessing I'm going to play against a deck without creatures. Yes, I'm a bit salty. Been playing a while. And all I get are mono reds, Grixis net deck, Rakdos net deck. It's not very engaging when everyone just plays the same crap over and over again. Is it the Graveyard Trespasser that's coming down? Of course. What do I get rid of? I think nothing yet, actually. I leave it be. Play this. Hopefully they play a Shieldred. Come on, play your Shieldred. Ooh, the gigs. Okay. Nice. I need to draw the untapped land. Come on. It's not an untapped land. We will get rid of the Fleshgorger and the Thrill, because at this point it's not helping. Okay, let's depopulate. Yep, that is not going to do anything. Well, it can kill my Kikijikis and the tokens, but not really that useful. Bankbuster, I'm okay with that. Oh, and it's a pass. You know what? No, it's better to do big score. I'll do it now because I don't want it to be nighttime. Okay. Not what we're looking to see. Invoke Despair. How original if it is. Oh, the Chandra. Okay. That's fine. 2 and 2. No. Okay. Sure. My guess is they have the Invoke Despair. They're trying to go for a double, which makes sense. There's what we need. Let's do this so we can absorb a little bit of it. And then next turn we would win unless they have deal 10 damage, but they can't cast it. That costs 9. Sorry, 10, and they'll have access to 9. Are you going to draw? If you don't have your Invoke Despair, then you search for it with Chandra. I built that deck. It's very competitive. I did a video on it. There it is. Nice. Nice. I think I might still win here, though. I'm going to get 2 Fable tokens, a Fleshgorger, and they all get Nahiri's Resolve and City on Fire. Yeah, good game. Good game. They might think that it's because I'm dead. But it's not. on. Takes one of my crazy decks to beat one of my crazy decks. Yep. Good game. I went to 2. If I do this, do I have enough? I do, actually. We'll get rid of this. Then we'll bring everyone back. And they all get haste. And we got him quite nicely, I must say. How much? How much? Minus 47, and we're at 50. Nice. Okay, we're up against T2A4. We have 2 Fables. Nothing to discard, but we have the Restoration. Let's see how this goes. The opponent is on the play with Island. Are they mono blue? Are they mono blue? They are. Probably shouldn't even play this game, but we'll play it out. Oh, mono blue with just 2 lands. Yeah, you probably have all the negates and make disappears and all that junk, because otherwise you wouldn't have kept that land. Now, they don't know, but Syncopated is actually quite relevant here, because it won't return from my graveyard now. Oh, this is good. Play this. Oh, they didn't have a counter for it. Okay, come on. Come on, Mono Blue. I feel no issues with you being mana screwed. This is not at all a problem for me. We're going to go with this. You can counter it. I'm doing it this way because then the restoration next turn is much better. Yep, that's fine. You're still taking a bunch of damage. And you know what? I will do this, actually. Oh, they have white in their deck as well. You know what? I'll keep that. 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah. Just want to see them counter. Oh, they didn't. They didn't counter it. I could have gone for the restoration. Oh, I don't care about your mana screw. I really don't. We got you. Okay, we're on the draw and we have a Fable and we have a Brilliant Restoration. And we have the Nahiri's Resolve. So I'm going to keep it, but we're on the draw. So, oh, interesting. Let's see how this goes. Our opponent is Wakano, or Wakano. Oh, are they just an enchantment step deck with extra steps? We're going to need that Depopulate then. Oh, yeah. Yep. Okay. Good job, opponent. Good thing is we have 2 things that are good to discard. The City on Fire and the Nahiri's Resolve. Okay. That means they can't really attack much. Yeah, I'm okay if you put the counters on something else. Take 1 damage off this turn. Or some extra damage in the future. Give me Depopulate. No. Okay. Okay. You got it. You know what? I'm actually going to do this. I don't have anything I want to discard. And with this, I can double block this one. You know what? I'll jump this one as well. No, because then next turn with the Fable, we can do that. Nice, nice. We got them. Not worried about their life gain. Oh, this is good. This is very good. We'll do nothing because now they know that I can double block if they go for it. And if they swing in the air, they are worried about me getting an Eiganjo on it. Are you going to go for it? They don't. This is excellent. Ooh, do we have enough if we do this? We're going to have 6 lands. Yep, I think we got them. Is this jank going to pull off another win? It might. It actually might. Okay, so what do we get back? We get this, this. Yeah, that should be enough to win. I'm not going to do the math, but it looks pretty accurate to me. We'll kill the Sigarda. Yes! Jank pulls it off. 4-0. Can't believe this. So how did we do? Using our brew? That was a straight up 4-0. I know. Seems fake. I can assure you it's not. We lost a few before. We lost one after. But I'm only going to highlight the 4 games that I got those consecutive wins. The rest weren't that exciting. Usually net decks, red deck wins, on the play, things like that. Last one, which I was hoping we could pull off a win, and I actually tried for like 25 minutes, was a blue-white control deck. They just gained too much life for them to care about us casting stuff. So they just farewelled when it was going to matter. That's okay. It's still fun. Play with your friends, things like that. It is not competitive. Don't think because I went 4-0 that this is going to be in any way a competitive deck. It is a meme deck, but it's a fun deck when you pull it off. I hope you enjoyed this brew. If you did, make sure to subscribe. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Also, press like, share, notifications, and leave a comment. But please keep it positive. Until next time, stay thirsty for those brews.